This na how dem born Jesus Christ. When Mary im mama don ready to marry Joseph, before dem begin sleep together, Mary come see say e don get belle with Holy Spirit power. Joseph wey wan marry am na person wey dey fear God well well, and because e no wan disgrace am, e come think for im mind say e no go marry Mary again. As e dey think how e go leave am, God angel show himself to am for dream, come tell am say,
Joseph, David pikin, make you no fear to marry Mary, because the pikin wey dey in belle na Holy Spirit give am. He go born boy, and you go call am Jesus Christ, because he go save him people from their sin.
These things go happen as God prophet talk.
See, the woman wey never sleep with man before go get belle, and he go born boy, and they go call am Emmanuel, wey mean God dey with us.
When Joseph wake up, he can't do wetin God angel tell am. So he come marry Mary, but he not sleep with am until Mary born the pikin. Then he come name am Jesus Christ.